Lyco Manufacturing has been a recognized leader in the food industry for over 50 years. We offer experience, reliability, and innovative equipment for the French fry industry in liquid solid separation screening, blanching or cooling, and potato peeling, washing, or scrubbing. For liquid solid separating equipment, we offer 3 solutions. Lyco double drum and single drum internally fed screens come in 7 different size units to handle anywhere from 200 to 5,000 GPM, depending upon the application and screen opening size. Internally fed flow through design screens are designed for water and solids to enter the inside of the screen. Water then drains out the screen while solids auger out the end of the drum. In many cases, for total plant wastewater, there's a primary and secondary screen. Lyco developed the double drum screen in 1993, which combines both screens into one unit. The inner drum typically is 80 thousandths opening, which reduces the load on the outer screen, which typically has a smaller opening of 20 to 40 thousandths opening. This unique engineering makes the screening process much more efficient. The Lyco double drum screen saves customers overall investment for the following reasons. It saves space by not having both the primary and secondary screens in separate units. Having less machinery reduces maintenance costs. There's less water usage because only one unit needs to be cleaned. It reduces the amount of pumps needed, which can create more finer solids. This ultimately reduces BOD and total suspended solids. If both primary and secondary screening are not required, Lyco offers single drum screens with no inner drum. Screen capacities are similar to the double drum screen. For applications with a lot of breading, oil, and grease, we offer externally flow screens. Product and water are pumped through the head box, and the water goes through the screen and out the back drain. The solids cascade over the screen while the drum is turning, and the doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen. In 2022, Lyco Manufacturing saved customers over 3 billion gallons of water with our reuse screens. For reuse sanitary application with low solids and small flow screening needs, like for blancher overflow water, we offer small sanitary zero maintenance screens. Another option for reuse is our micro drum screen, which screens down to as small as 6 thousandths to 8 thousandths opening. Many customers are installing the micro drum after the primary wastewater screens, taking a slipstream and screening the water to be pumped back to the spray headers or traveling spray for CIP. This process allows for zero freshwater sprays and prevents the nozzles from getting plugged. For potato peeling, washing, or finishing, Lyco offers both a high-capacity Raging Bull or Bull Junior, which is our new generation design root crop peeler and scrubber. This unit is the most sanitary unit on the market. This design is all electric, so it has no hydraulics, which makes the unit cleaner and quiet. The PLC controls are user-friendly and easy to operate. The cover opens from both sides and raises the auger for easy inspection and cleaning, and the frame is a unibody design. This also enhances the machine and makes it easy to remove rolls or perform any maintenance. The unit has a larger bed depth, allowing for higher capacity with a 29-inch full-length auger. The auger controls the precise retention time of the product for higher recovery. Lyco is constantly listening to customers' need for sanitary designs, simplicity, and reliability. If you would like more information about the Lyco liquid solids and separation screens, blanchers, coolers, and root crop peelers, please call our office at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.